Looks like someone's getting tips from the professionals. Whiskers is hooked on Tom and Jerry. Dinner for two? Who knew cats and mice could be such classy dining buddies? So soft, so squishy. Best pillow ever. Nibble didn't sign up for this. Playtime or payback? Either way, this is their version of tag. Why does he get the cheese? This is clearly unfair. Round and round they went, until they both collapsed, purring and squeaking. Not enemies, but unlikely friends. Because sometimes even a cat and a mouse just want to play.